This is my presentation for Module 11, Gifts to Students or Staff, um, as outlined in the text. The first thing that we read about was fundraising incentive gifts. If gifts are part of a fundraising incentive, then they should only be given to those people that participate. They should also be purchased with funds that were raised by a specific group. And then gifts that aren't associated with fundraising shouldn't favor one group over another. So I broke down student gifts into two different categories with a summary. Fundraising gifts, again, participating students, and they meet the criteria and they should be paid for with fundraising profit. Any special achievement gifts, those would be for students to honor academic or sports achievements. They should be paid for with general funds, maybe a PTA or PTO, and then the athletic fund. And then with any student gifts, they should be nominal in value, but they can come from a variety of sources. Staff member gifts could include special occasion gifts, fundraising incentive gifts, and then just gifts in general. For special occasion gifts, gifts should be reasonably priced and they should be paid for with staff social funds. So you should have a fund established in your building where your staff members pay dues, and then you would pay for items out of that collection of dues paid. Fundraising incentive gifts, again, that would be for any staff, just like for students, any staff that participates and that the gift is appropriate. So something like, you're doing a fundraiser and they gift T-shirts to anybody who runs the cash register or something like that. Gifts should be at a reasonable cost and shouldn't be more than 5% of your profit. And then with all staff gifts, they really should be nominal in value and they should be paid for with staff generated funds or possibly through donations. In summary, any gifts and prizes for students and staff are warranted. We give them regularly in the building that I work in, but we also have exact policies and procedures in place to ensure accountability. And we also want, people to feel as though everyone is represented equally, so that one person isn't favored more over another. And, along with that, when you do give prizes, you just want to make sure that you're using good judgment with those and that you're following guidelines.